Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and I got asked how to do this the other day. How do you write an expression like this in turning point form? Now, that's the form that we're talking about. Um, a perfect square plus or minus um, some sort of constant. Okay, so what do we do? Well, it's remarkably simple, assuming you know one thing, which is how to complete the square. Because after about 2 or 3 steps of completing the square, you have your expression in turning point form. Let me show you. So if I were to complete the square, I would write this as x minus 12x plus negative 6 all squared. Now, how I get the negative 6 is I halve this, and the rules of completing the square tell me that I square it. And I'm just going to pop a little line here. This just keeps things nice and neat in my mind. And this part of the equation is going to form this part of the turning point equation. Right. Over here, I still have 17. And because I've effectively added 6, the 6 squared, negative 6 squared is the same as 6 squared. Because I've effectively added 6 squared to this part of the equation, I'm going to subtract 6 squared from this part of the equation. So I added it here, I subtract it here. Okay, now I can take this and I can write this in this form. If only I didn't make mistakes like that. It is minus 6. Which is why I leave it in this form, so that I don't make a mistake like that. Okay, now over here I have 17 minus 36. 17 minus 36 is negative 19. That is my problem solved. This is the turning point form of this. Now, just let me expand this and I'll show you what we get. So we get x squared minus 12x plus 36 minus 19. 36 minus 19 is 17. I get x squared minus 12x plus 17, which is what I started with. So when you are asked to put a quadratic trinomial like this into turning point form, this is how you do it. You use the first 2 or 3 steps of completing the square, and it's done. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.